Muru Nwata nke Chukwu. God's own child was born. Well, this is Yvonne from Learn Igbo Now Challenge, and in this video, we're going to sing another Christmas song because this is Christmas week. So we're singing a Christmas song in Igbo every single day of this week. There are so many Igbo Christmas songs, but we're just going to pick 5 for this week. So the one for today is Muru Nwata nke Chukwu. God's own child was born. I learned this song as a little girl in Enugu. I used to attend a girls' club called Ozommiri. And we were going there every Saturday, and I learned a lot of the skills I know now. I learned from Ozommiri Club in Enugu. But the words we're going to learn from this song, the 5 main words we're going to learn from this song are Nwata, child, Chukwu, God, Kwe, ukwe. Kwe is to sing, but people usually complete the phrase by saying kwe ukwe. So sing a song. So ukwe is song, kwe is sing, or kwe ukwe is to sing. Angore, happiness. Ebe, forever. Ready? Let's begin. Ka anyị bido. Muru Nwata nke Chukwu, kwenu ukwe nke aṅụrị. Muru Nwata nke Chukwu, kwenu mgbe Chukwu ga-abịa. Aṅụrị ga na-adị ebe kwenu ukwe nke aṅụrị. Muru Nwata nke Chukwu, kwenu ukwe nke aṅụrị. Muru Nwata nke Chukwu, kwenu mgbe Chukwu ga-abịa. Aṅụrị ga na-adị ebe kwenu ukwe nke aṅụrị. So the 5 main words we've learned from this song are Nwata, child, Chukwu, God, Kwe or kwe ukwe, sing, Aṅụrị, happiness, Ebe, forever. Now for the song again. Muru Nwata nke Chukwu, kwenu ukwe nke aṅụrị. Muru Nwata nke Chukwu, kwenu mgbe Chukwu ga-abịa. Aṅụrị ga na-adị ebe kwenu ukwe nke aṅụrị. Thanks for watching this video. If you liked this video, please like it, and if you haven't yet done so, subscribe to my channel, the Learn Igbo channel, and make sure you click the bell button so that you get notified whenever I post a new video, and that will be weekly. Also, you could go over to www.learnibonow.com to get some free goodies like printable storybooks and worksheets and other things that will help you get started in learning Igbo language. That's it for now. Komesia. See you soon.